Hi guys, sorry. I was in mute. I was not doing this completely like my mic issues. So is it audible, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
Yeah. I'm very sorry for this conceptions. Very sorry for this.
No issue, sir. No issue.
Yeah. So basically, like the first thing, like I want to discuss, like today I'm going to show this completely the syllabus, like what I'm going to cover in the data analysis, and again from the today to up to Sunday we have a completely 4 days like demo classes. Meanwhile, I want to show the like exactly what are the syllabus I'm going to taking care. Okay. So this is the first Excel sheet from the Excel. See, basically we are going to learn.
So how many days in demo classes?
Yes, yes. So it is taking like nearly 45 to 60 days. It is a completely end-to-end data process. Oh, fuck. Guys, so this is what exactly we are going to learn. There are like 5 to 6 tools in data analyst. The first one is completely Power BI. Second one is like Python. And again, third one is like database. That's why like completely MySQL database, RDS database, and again NoSQL database. And R language also I'll give the introduction. And again in the AWS cloud, where I need to go with like data engineering concepts. That is what like end-to-end ETL concepts also I used to show. This course is completely from 45 days to 60 days course. Every day, 8:30 p.m. to up to 10 o'clock p.m. I mean, it's a nearly like 1.5 hours every day. Yeah. I think the strength is like 29 candidates here. So the first tool I'm going to take like completely Excel introduction, and again the logical functions in the Excel sheet, and again VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and again nested VLOOKUPs also I used to take, and again the advanced function like combination of like arithmetic and again logical functions also, and again data and again.
Sir, voice not coming, sir. Voice again muted.
Guys, is it audible, right?
Yes, now it is coming, sir.
Group night 7 o'clock in the up to 10 o'clock, no interviews. Sorry, I was in, yeah. So clear, the first like Excel sheet, in the Excel sheet, like I used to take like all this completely like end to end from the basic to advanced level. This is what like my own syllabus, and again I have created this one like Excel sheet, introduction of all these things like MS Office questions, and again interface, especially all these things we should do here, and again reference, and again these are logical functions like if and again or nested ifs also, and again the VLOOKUP and again HLOOKUPs. So no need to worry with the practical classes. I'll be doing with the practical classes tomorrow. And again, first I need to share the syllabus. Actually, I forgot to share this because of my busy schedule with one of the tasks. Yeah. So and again, meanwhile, like advanced functions here. In the advanced functions, are completely arithmetic, logical, and again lookup functions, and again the data validations, and again data and again text functions in the Excel, and again data handling, data cleaning, and again data type identifications, and again removing duplicates, formatting, and again filtering end to end. Example like number formatting with shortcuts, sort, and again converting on Excel tables here. Yeah, so basically removing duplicates and again formatting table, data visualizations and again conditional formatting charts also, and again data summations. So this is what like completely in the Excel and again the data handling and again data cleaning and again data type identifications, removing duplicates. This is what like end to end I'm doing on this. And again the data summations like pivot reports and again charts. Is it clear, right? Everyone, any confusions on this? Hello.
No, sir.
Yeah. So meanwhile, like I'll be data summations, like dashboard creations, and again how to create dashboards with the tips and again tricks. Dashboard like types, getting reports and again charts together, use of slices, everything. Okay. And again, this is what like completely Excel and again data manipulations. When it comes to the connecting to the data like Power Query, pivot, and again Power Pivot with an Excel. This is what like more advanced to the advanced in real-time scenario. Even though who are doing MS in any universities, this syllabus will be not available, especially what I want to do in this. Not only with the practical year, not only with the theoretical with the manually GUI mode, we should write a Python code and again also like R language code to do Power Query, all these things, okay? And again data cleaning. So these are the similar topics here up to here and to end. Yeah, and again VBA and again macros also here end to end. So especially VBA and again someone is asking like yesterday, will you teach VBA and again macros? Yes. Is it clear, right? I think someone is asking like yesterday in the demo classes. Anyone? Either Vaishnavi, either somewhere Ujjwal. All right. Clear, right? So this is what VBA and again macros. Yeah, so this is what exactly, and again MySQL. In the MySQL, like introduction to MySQL, and again the databases, RDBMS database, and again SQL commands and again data types. So are we clear, right? Introduction to database, RDBMS, and again types of RDBMS, and again the how to install the software installation with the workbench. Yes, and again SQL commands and again data types. Types of SQL commands like DDL, DML, and again DQL, and again DCL, and again TCL, all these things. And again DDL and again operators. Select, limit, all these things will be available. When, then, and again handling null values here. And again group operators and again aggregator functions also. This is what like end to end. I made like how exactly the practical stuff will be working on this. This is what completely the databases level like joins, constraints, and again completely like groups by having class, all these things. Right? And again next, DDL. So create, drop, alter, and again rename, truncate, modify command. And again DML concepts also like DML commands, DML insert and update. So today like completely the theoretical, what exactly the syllabus I'm going to cover with the real and again practical scenarios. So whatever the I'm showing here, the 2 days practical demo process will be tomorrow and again day after tomorrow and again the coming day also. Overall 3 days. Because yesterday, due to my busy schedule, so due to this my medical reasons, I was postponed to today. Yeah. So stored procedure and again procedure with the IN parameters, all these things, and again function and again constructions here, and again union again intersect subqueries, how to do all this like in the SQL databases. Yeah, sorry. Here I am giving the 2 options. Someone can take either Tableau, either Power BI. So I will not take the 2 scenario. If you want many of the, I want like many of the hands with the rise hand. So who want Tableau, who need Power BI? That is what like one of the main thing I want to discuss here. So only the Power BI I am taking. If I'm getting the time, I will take the Tableau also 3 days. Actually, in the industry, Power BI is the strongest tool. So how many of them want like for Tableau here? May I know like please ping me that. Please raise your hands. How many of them required Power BI and again how many of them required Tableau? because if you know Power BI, any software companies, they are using the Power BI tools is the topmost. Clear? So I think out of 31 members here, 30 members. So only I got like 2 rising, I mean 3.
So Power BI.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tableau is like one scenario. Fine. Anyway, so if I get the time permits right, so in the last 4 days or 3 days, I will take the Tableau syllabus also here. And again, if you know the completely Power BI, it is very easy to do this completely end-to-end Tableau. Clear? See, introduction to Tableau. What is Tableau? Data visualizations, products, desktop variations, and again file extensions, data types, dimensions, and again measures, and again aggregations, concepts, Tableau desktop installations, everything, and again basic flow charts. In the lab, like bar chart for subcategories, Y sum with positive values, green color, all these things we can do on this bar chart, heat map, everything we can generate in the Tableau. And also like filters. What are filters? Types of filters. Yes, see in few companies, they are asking Tableau with basic minimum questions for interview. I will give the completely real-time scenario, what exactly they're going to ask. And again, the calculations. Need for calculations, types, basic LODs tables, example of basic calculations, aggregate functions, logical functions, string functions, and again, Tableau calculation functions, everything, okay? This is what like end-to-end, okay? So now, yeah, data combining techniques. What are data combining techniques? Types, joins, and again relationships, blending and again unions, and again custom charts. How to create a custom charts with a dual axis and again combined axis, and again including this KPI cards and again lollipop chart also. Clear? Yes, this is all these things in the Tableau, right? Yes, this is what like exactly in the Tableau, like groups, binaries, hierarchies, and again search parameters. This is like 3 days is enough after completion of Power BI to understand this end to hand. It's simple concept in the Tableau. Clear? Next, Power BI. Yes, here comes the topmost important tool in the data analytics. This is a one-man show tool. That is a Power BI. So understanding the Power BI background and again installation of Power BI and again checklist for perfect installations. Okay. Clear, right, everyone? Yep. So the understanding the differences between like Power BI desktop and again Power Queries, and again the Power BI user interface, including types and again data sources and again visualizations. And again in this like subtopics, this lab will covers load the data from Excel file and again evaluating the data types and again using the default charts. This is what one of the main thing I'm going to be implementing. So I'm using here Power BI with the cracked versions, not a licensed version. I have a cracked version of Power BI. I will give it to everyone in the Google Drive. Everyone please install even in your local machine or else anywhere in your cloud machines. Is it clear, right? Is it audible? Yes, or no? I want answers. Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
I will
Yes.
share I will share the contents of my syllabus after this class demo is completing, and again tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, everyone mail our syllabus copy will be available with a more advanced and again the real-time projects like healthcare projects and also like medical equipments and again the banking sectors. This is like 3 real-time projects what I'm going to do in the data analytics labs. Yeah. Yeah. So the Power BI user UI user interface, especially I think we are the proud training center DURGASOFT online. We are providing with a real time with practical data analyst with a very low cost compared to any other institutes. And again, this syllabus is not available even though in any kind of universities. Even if you go to the Canada University, any kind of universities, this is like more advanced with the practical stuff. Yep, the Power BI user interface, including types of data sources and again the visualizations. Yeah. Yes, getting familiar with like interfaces of BI query. This is what like end-to-end subqueries, and again simple dashboards with like animation visualizations, and again like financial sample data in Power BI. Preparing, I mean like exactly the preparing sample dashboards as I get started there. But after this, the lab will be variation of scanner chart, map chart with conditional formatting, and again using play access. Yeah. The Power BI artificial intelligence visualizations, understanding the use of AI in Power BI. Example, like by implementing the chatbot with the chat GPT, or it's like any kind of next gen AI, how to get the visualizations with the help of AI. Okay. Next, Power BI visualization here, understanding the column chart, and again understanding the line chart here exactly. And again the Power Query editor also, loading from folder, and again understanding the Power Query in details, especially what exactly split to limiter, and again add columns, and again merge queries, etc. Okay, this lab covers formatting the data and again removing the unwanted fields, and again modeling with the Power BI. And again these four contents will cause the lab will be creating relationships with the different coordinative with example, and again Power Query editor filter data. This Power Query custom column, M code, and again manager parameter. Okay, and again customize the data in Power BI, use of drill down and again tooltip. So today, why I am not doing practical demo in this case, because I want to make you to understand. Many of them they are asking like what is the syllabus exactly, and again what is the in depth of syllabus what we are going to cover. That's what like I want to show you. Okay, but anyway, from tomorrow onwards, especially if I get time now only, I will take from now to, or it's like tomorrow to up to 4 days, like Saturday. Up to Saturday, I'm requesting my management team to take Saturday also the demo class. Okay. And again, customizing the data in the Power BI and customize the data in Power BI. This is one, like example, like how to create a bookmarks, navigation buttons, etc. And again, DAX expressions. Yes, this is a top most important in the Power BI. Yes, this lab will covers like revision of table, revision of a table DAX formulas, revision of the calculated column formulas, and as well like DAX formulas. And again, custom visualizations. Custom visualization, and again understanding the use of custom here. And again, these 4 points will be completing like creating visualization and again publishing Power BI service. Yes, this is like one of the main important thing I want to talk about, this custom visual and again the Power BI service. Example, like one publishing one Power BI service to other Power BI service, depending upon the different environment, how to share the services. That is the topmost interview question in the data analyst. I will give the practical that stuff in our day-by-day classes. And again, Power BI services here exactly, app.powerbi.com example, and also dev.powerbi.com, stage.powerbi.com, production.powerbi.com. How to share the service from one application to other application, that is called as a virtual directories, and mean virtual services, complete Power BI online services. Yeah, any confusions here? And again, next, value added courses, like exactly R program. Like if I get a time, I'll take the R program, but mainly I'm focusing for R programming also I'm doing C, especially Tableau and again R. It is a additional stuff, but instead of R language, I'm taking the Python language here. And again, instead of Tableau, I'm taking the Power BI also. After end of our session, if we get like remaining 3 to 4 days, I'll be taking the R program and again Tableau also. Okay. And again, decision making statements, and again loops, and again functions here. And again, now in the Python programming, like installation of any kind of IDE tools here, and again the basic data types, conditions, slicing, and again inbuilt functions in Python, what exactly we are going to use, and again search theory, regular expressions, everything, and again loops, functions, and again lambda functions also. And again, especially in the data analyst, we are going to use the 4 main modules: pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and again seaborn. These are the 4 libraries we are using the Python libraries. Clear? Right, everyone? Is it okay? These are the 4 libraries we are going to use in the data analyst to resolve this with the Python libraries. Next, business statistics. This is also like additional concept here. Basically, I'm going to teach like only 5 tools, but here are also business statistics, like example, like descriptive statistics. This is one of the important here. And again, probability and again normal distributions also. And again, so data cleaning and again insights. And again, the last but least, ChatGPT, introduction to ChatGPT and again AI, and again types of AI and again ChatGPT architecture. This is what like end of the day our syllabus will complete here. Clear, right? Anyone? Hello. Oh, sorry. Any confusions here? Is it my screen is visible?
No, sir. Screen is not visible.
Yes. ChatGPT functionalities.
Sir,
And
your
then
voice
there's
is
also prompt engineering. What is the prompt engineering? And again types of prompts. Apart from this, in the AWS, how to deploy, how to use the services, AWS Kinesis, AWS Athena, and again AWS ETL, and again AWS EMR, and again AWS data pipeline to do this end-to-end application deployment with the Power BI tools. Clear, right? So if you have any doubts,
Sir, please explain some career scope in data science and how we can enter into IT, okay, from the non-IT field.
I think sir is not in meeting.
I'm sorry guys, actually I lost my internet here. So is it clear, right? So the syllabus, like I'll be sharing that tonight to, we will be modifying that and then we'll be resending that for everyone. Is it audible, right?
yes, sir. Audible.
Yeah.
Are we going to use some tool, taking the help of the tools like Copilot or GPT?
Yes, yes, exactly. We are taking the co-pilot of GitHub. See, we want to go with like Python in the GitHub actions, right? We should take in the GitHub Copilot. And also, I'm going to take in the ChatGPT also here. Both I'll be showing this exactly. Here. So tomorrow, the first demo, I mean like practical demo with this syllabus. I will taking like sample, any kind of data loading from any Excel sheet, and again creating like sample dashboard, and again with automations. That's what like the first demo there. Clear, right, everyone?
So please discuss also some career opportunities. So please discuss about some career
Sorry?
opportunities and how can we get some experience later.
Yes, sure.
I'm
So-
audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible to me. Yes. So currently in the market,
So
there
can
is
we
a
discuss
huge.
something about the career opportunity?
Yes, yes. The career opportunities is like it is a very huge career opportunity, especially data analyst, Power BI, and again with Python, and again data analyst skills with the SQL database, right? Which are standard. It's like very important, and again the lot of like roles are openings in the lot of market. Okay. See, if you search in the market, like example, data analyst jobs. Data analyst jobs. There is a huge data analyst jobs, like 43,000 plus. So today in the market, sorry.
But all the jobs require experience person.
Yes, see, it's very good packages, and again, especially today in the market, there are two technologies running like anything. One is DevOps, and again, other one is like data analytics. Clear, right? So data analyst is an equivalent competitor for the DevOps guys, right? So even if you have like 2 to 5 years also, you can get like more packages. So no need to worry about like 2 to 5 lakhs a year. But if you have a good experience and again the good things, you'll get like more than very good package, whatever expectation, like 2 digits. Okay, right? Especially see wherever you go, like data, lot of data analysts. Earlier in 2020, 2021, and again 2022, 2023, and again till now also, there is a huge demand for DevOps also. More than that, nowadays data analyst is a huge opening jobs. Clear, right? See, you can search here.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, can you help us understand how this course is gonna
Sir,
support
can you help us out about
non-tech background person?
Sorry. There are like at a time like simultaneously
Hello.
two of them communicate here. Can you please one by one?
Yes. So just wanted to understand how this course is gonna support, like help a person with non-IT background.
Okay. All right. So it was a good question. Yes. So the non-IT background or IT background, especially anything might be, right? So here there is only one automation tool, like there is a Python and again Power BI, especially it is a concept where we are implementing algorithms, right? But still we are not implementing the algorithms to do this complete automations. So that's why like it is a good opportunity, even though if it doesn't have any coding knowledge also. If you are coming from completely non-background, so you can sustain the job here easily because everywhere Python code is already automated. Just you should take and again you need to understand like what exactly need to do automations. But it is a good stuff because after data analyst there is a data engineering concept. If you know this concept, then again from this concept you can easy to understand the data engineering concept. But it is very easy to understand, especially data analyst. Everyone knows that Excel easily, and again you should concentrate only database, the basic method, and again the Power BI, it is a completely dashboard monitoring stuff, and again Python coding.
Also, can you please help us understand how many projects, like time-based, real-time based projects, will you be giving us during the
Yes.
course?
Sure, definitely. Thank you for this question. Yes, I'm taking like 3 to 5 projects. One is healthcare application project, which is like medical equipments, and again other one is like completely banking sectors project, and again the third one is completely hospitalities, and again the fourth one is completely all the cloud. I'm taking one sample cloud to run, and again collecting all the services, like how exactly it is getting the data. Yeah.
So these projects will be done by individual, or that would be done into a team? How exactly?
No, I'll be making like if there's a huge number of digits with the guys, right? I'll be allocating the five members to take one team, and again I'll be giving the assignment. And again, if the assignment is not met to our requirement, then again I'll be showcasing like how exactly it will be done.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, data analyst, Naukri profile, it is showing 2 to 5 years experience. After this whatever syllabus you are covering, how much experience we can put for data analyst?
Yes, for data analyst, right? So whatever I am sharing the knowledge here, really it's 4 to 5 years of knowledge experiences. It is not like only fresher or basic level. Anyone can do the fresher languages, but here completely the real-time scenarios with 3 to 5 years of knowledge.
So, sir,
And
we'll
sir,
get support for any experience letter.
That experience and again the internship letter should need to communicate with the management team. But whatever we are going to teach like 45 days to 60 days, right? So I'll be communicating with the team, management team, and again they might be they can provide you. If it is not, I will suggest that how to get that all these letters.
Okay.
Any questions? Tomorrow, same timings, 8:30 sharply. We are going to the practical, the first, and again I'll be sharing the syllabus tonight to everyone, and again have a look on this.
Sir, after the course, how many experience will be put this?
Sorry,
After the complete the course, how many experience will be put for job?
how many is the experience, right? Like example, like when did you completed bachelor's?
Sir, 2022.
2022, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can put like 2 to 3 years, no worries.
Sir. You will cover for all this syllabus for experience or fresher?
No, it's a freshers and again include, see, it is a including freshers. It is a completely real-time experience with the 5 years and again 3 years experienced people. Where completely this syllabus is completely experienced people, and also we are going with the from the scratch. Even the freshers also they can learn.
Sir, how many classes in a week?
So in a week like Monday to Friday, 1.5 hour day, 1.5 hour every day.
1.5 hours. Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
Thank you.
demo classes in how many days?
So up to this Saturday, or else like up to this Friday, this demo classes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, up to Friday. Today is Wednesday.
Thursday, Friday, or else like I'll be extending like one more day because yesterday I have not taken. So
Okay.
Saturday also.
Saturday. And
Yeah.
okay, sir. Thank you.
So, sir, during this demo sessions, what exactly would be covered for between these 2 days?
Exactly like based on okay. The first Python module, like how to call pandas, and again how to take the data from the Excel sheet with VLOOKUP and again HLOOKUP, and again how to implement into the Power BI.
And what would be the timings for these sessions?
Again, the same thing like 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. or it's like 9:30 p.m. 1 hour.
Okay.
For demo classes, 1 hour. For the day classes, like 1.5 hour.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Sorry.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yes, sir. So, because for data analyst role, we need to build our portfolio as well. Can we use these projects and put in our portfolio? And will you help us to build a portfolio as well so that we can showcase to the employers?
Sure, definitely. I'll give you the sample CVs also. And again, I'll be giving the real-time interview questions and again how to crack the practical stuff also. And again, I'll give the like minimum 5 to 6 CVs, how to build your portfolios, everything.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome. Yeah.
So when
Anyone?
will you provide the recorded videos, like by the end of the day or the next day?
By the end of the day, I think like after our class session ends, right? Within 1 hour, we'll be getting the videos.
Okay, so we'll get through mail or
We'll be getting through
through what?
mail.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Amar,
We
Amrita,
are
Chaitanya.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, I would like to know the duration of this course.
Yes, it's 45 days to 60 days. So I said you right, the last 5 days, Power BI, sorry, Tableau and again the R language I want to complete, but if it permits to me. If it is not, Power BI and again the Python is only end-to-end with a in-depth of practical classes.
For this 45 to 60 days include our Saturday, Sunday, or it's excluded?
No, it's only
Like the
Monday to
classes will be
Friday.
for the
Monday to
45 to
Friday.
60 days, or
45 to 65 days, but the last 5 days is completely Tableau and again R language. Anyone, any doubts?
So can we also visit your institute? And if you want to have any personal discussion, like any doubts or any clarifications, is that also provided? Can we visit you personally as well to the institute? Or if you have any doubts in the projects, how do we improve? So for that, any support will be provided? Any
Sure.
face-to-face individual support?
Yeah, sure, definitely it will be provided. So and again, you can visit to the center also, and again, we'll be providing like what exactly you are facing the issues, and again, the real-time project, and again, how to accomplish all these projects. If it is not in the offline, at least like I will be available in the online to communicate and again to complete these projects. Anyone? Amar, Amrita, Chaitanya, Sahiti,
Hello.
Shailaja. Yeah.
Online. Yes. So, sir, just wanted to understand from when exactly this batch would be starting. Is it like from tomorrow, 2 days demo session, and from Monday onwards, will it be
Yes.
continued, or is there any different batch?
No, from Monday onwards, it will be continuing actually, but we are planning like more than 50 candidates to join for this data analyst classes. I think right now the candidates might be 30 or 32 plus, but still like 18 members already they are registered, but still their inavailability of time, they are not joined today, but tomorrow they're going to join. So that's why like I kept an hold on this. Okay. But from next Monday onwards, we are starting our classes, the same timing, 8:30 p.m. to 10 o'clock.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we have already registered actually. So
Great.
can we directly start it from Monday onwards, or how?
Yes, ma'am. So we are going to start from Monday onwards only. I think who is speaking here? Amar, right?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. From Monday onwards, our classes will start, but also the tomorrow and again day after tomorrow, it's a completely demo classes, like 1 hour session. So because I'm expecting the candidates like more than 15 hours, so that's why.
Okay, sure.
Because this is one of the online training center, we are providing like very less package with great tools, with real-time practical industry experts. That's it.
Sure.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Yeah. Anyone, any confusions?
Hello.
Any doubts?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yep.
Yeah, actually, in my case, actually, I have completed my
Louder.
BTech in 2000.
No, your voice
Yeah,
is
I have.
bit louder,
Yeah, I have
please.
completed. Yeah, am I audible now?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I have completed my BTech in mechanical in 2018. So after that, I have almost 2.5 years of experience in mechanical.
Okay.
It's design part. So I want to switch in IT background. So
Yep.
is the right course for me, and how I can switch in IT?
Yes. Yes, it is the right course for you. And again, no need to worry about this. Like whatever I'm sharing my knowledge in this 45 to 60 days of this data and this classes, right? So and again, you can focus and again, I'll make you that like how to build your career and again with portfolio and again how to get a good package. No need to worry about this. Yeah.
Actually, I have worked on a company that is 1.2 years, and currently I am not working. So when after completion of this course, means I can add that my experience means like I can put that experience in my CV, and can I show it like I have worked there as a data analyst like that? How can I make my CV? That is my question.
Yes, yeah. That's what like I will be providing like in end of our sessions, right? End of our classes or mid of our classes, like after completion of Power BI tools, I will be giving everyone for CV, minimum 5 to 6 CVs. And again, everyone can change their reformatting of our projects. And again, that CV makes me you to shortlist your portfolio first, and again, definitely you'll be getting the first call to attend your interviews.
Okay, so I have one question, sir. I just want to understand that for next 2-3 days, I won't be able to join these sessions. So is it okay if I start joining from Monday, or is there any chances that I'm going to miss anything?
Nothing. So basically, I'll be picking the topics like mid of any topics here, but the same topics will be completed like any one of the next coming days.
Okay, so I can join from Monday, right?
Yeah, no issues. You can join from Monday after your registration done.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, sir.
Great. Yes, meanwhile, my introduction I have not given here, but yesterday few of them like we have introduction. Yes, so I am Vishwa. I'm having like overall 20 years of experience. Currently, my role is a senior cyber security specialist in one of the MNC company, where I am doing the completely end-to-end automation with data engineering and again with the data analyst also. And again, my main part was securing the products and also securing the data pipelines and again securing the Power BI tools. So this is what like my implementations and again with the Python developer. Yes. Great. Can we wind up session now, everyone?
So you will provide for any tools for installation?
Yes. So I'll be providing like before only, one day before only, I'll be providing the installation tools in our local laptop, all these things. Yeah.
Thank you.
Great. So thank you, everyone.
Hello.
Yes.
So can you please repeat the process of registration?
Yes, ma'am. Please contact to our Durga software online. So management team, and again, they'll be helping on this.
Sorry, can you please repeat it once again?
Yeah, please contact to our management team, and again, they will help you on this, like how to register, and again, how to make a mode of payment, everything. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you, everyone. I need to jump to other meeting now. So good night. So keep on connecting tomorrow at sharply 8:30 p.m. Till
Just
then,
a
thank
small
you.
request, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Can you just share the recorded link for this entire session?
Sure, I'll do that. I will do that. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Good night.